So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create Zoho CRM variable on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and after that select this profile icon. Now go with this option right here called Access Zoho CRM. After getting on the home page guys, select this settings icon right here. Now select this Zoho CRM variables option. Now select this button right here called create your first Zoho CRM variable. Now give a name to your variable. Now give a name to your API of your Zoho CRM variable. Now write down your description about your Zoho CRM variable. And after that, select your variable type. You can choose from this list right here. Now select your value if you want to select your variable type percentage. And after that, select a grouped under. You can choose only general or you can create a new group. And after filling all of these details, now just select this save button. And now you have successfully created your Zoho CRM variables on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys can also be able to create your own Zoho CRM variables on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thank you so much for watching.